Yesterday's get-together was amazing.
Yeah, it was so much fun. Did you see all the family members who came?
Of course. Aunt Shreya was telling me about her new job.
I got a lot of advice from everyone on what I can do after graduation. It was so helpful. Thanks to them, I could finally decide on what I want to do in the future.
And Uncle Rajesh couldn't stop talking about his recent vacation.
The food was delicious, wasn't it?
Absolutely. Grandma's biryani was the highlight. And Grandpa couldn't stop smiling the whole time.
Remember when the kids started a mini dance party?
Oh yeah, they were so adorable.
And then Uncle Ankit tried to join in, but ended up tripping over his own feet.
That was hilarious. And Aunt Priya's reaction was priceless.
I know, she couldn't stop laughing.
Did you hear about the game of charades?
Yeah, Dad's impression of a chicken had us all in stitches.
And Mom's attempt at guessing was even funnier.
It was great to see everyone having such a good time.
Definitely. And the best part was seeing our parents so happy.
They were beaming the whole day.
And the excitement from our grandparents was contagious.
They were like kids again.
I'm glad everything went smoothly.
Me too. It was a day full of laughter and love.
Can't wait for the next family gathering.
Same here. Let's make it even more memorable next time.
Did you see the surprise guest?
Yeah, Uncle Samir flew in from overseas.
Everyone was so shocked when he walked in.
It was the perfect unexpected twist to the day.
And his stories had everyone captivated.
I think he's become everyone's favorite storyteller now.
I'm so glad he could make it.
It wouldn't have been the same without him.
Remember when the power went out?
Oh yeah, that was chaos for a moment.
But then someone started singing and we all joined in.
It turned into an impromptu sing-along.
It just added to the charm of the evening.
Definitely made it more memorable.
I'll cherish these moments forever.
Me too, Dia. Family gatherings like these are priceless.
How were the decorations?
They were stunning.
Aunt Rina really outdid herself with the floral arrangements.
And the twinkling lights added such a magical touch.
It felt like we were in a fairy tale. That's going to be a cherished memory.
Especially when everyone gathered for the group photo.
Definitely. I'm already planning to frame it. And did you catch Grandma sneaking extra sweets?
She's got a sweet tooth like no other.
It's adorable how she tries to hide it. She thought no one saw her, but we all knew. Didn't you participate the game of musical chairs?
Oh yes, that was intense.
Uncle Rohit was so competitive.
And poor Aunt Maya almost won, but she missed the chair by inches.
It was so close, yet so far.
And then Grandma surprised us all by winning.
She may be older, but she still got some moves.
Absolutely. It was a moment of pure joy.
Just like when the kids put on their little play.
They were so creative with their costumes and dialogue.
And the way they made everyone laugh was heartwarming. Oh, and the food spread.
Where do I even begin?
Well, Aunt Geetha's samosas were a hit.
And Uncle Vikram's barbecue skills were on point.
I couldn't get enough of Aunt Nina's paneer tikka.
And Grandma's homemade desserts were divine.
The variety was incredible, from biryanis to chaats.
And let's not forget about the endless bowls of gulab jamun.
I think I had at least 5 helpings.
And who could resist Aunt Vina's famous mango lassi?
It was the perfect refreshing drink on a warm day.
I'm already craving leftovers.
Same here. I wish we could rewind and feast all over again. Remember when Uncle Rohan tried to show off his dance moves?
Oh yes, that was hilarious.
He ended up slipping on a banana peel.
And his dramatic recovery had us all in stitches.
It was like something out of a comedy movie.
And then there was the incident with the overly enthusiastic dog.
Oh yeah, he chased Uncle Venus hat all around the garden.
It was chaos trying to catch him.
But it provided endless entertainment for everyone.
And who could forget when the kids decided to have a water balloon fight indoors?
It turned into a waterlogged mess.
But seeing them giggling and squealing was worth the cleanup.
Definitely a day filled with unexpected, yet hilarious moments. I can't believe it's already time to say goodbye.
I know, it feels like the day went by in a blink of an eye.
I'm going to miss everyone so much.
It's always hard to part ways after such a wonderful time together.
Especially seeing Grandma's teary eyes as she hugged everyone goodbye.
And hearing Dad's voice crack as he thanked everyone for coming.
It's moments like these that make farewells so bittersweet.
I wish we could freeze time and stay in this moment forever.
Me too. But we'll always have the memories to hold on to.
And the promise of future gatherings to look forward to.
True. Until then, let's cherish the moments we shared today.
Absolutely. Goodbyes may be tough, but they remind us of the love we have for each other.